Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping our understanding of money, power, and freedom. We're talking about Bitcoin. But not just as an investment. We're exploring a much bigger idea. Bitcoin as a stateless currency in a world that often feels, well, a little lawless. Now, what do I mean by lawless? I'm not talking about some post-apocalyptic movie scene. I'm talking about the unpredictable nature of global economies, the sudden policy shifts that can devalue a lifetime of savings, and the financial barriers that lock millions out of the global system. Think about it. Your money, sitting in a traditional bank, isn't just yours. It's subject to the rules, regulations, and sometimes the whims of the government and financial institutions that control it. We've seen it happen time and again. In countries facing hyperinflation, people's savings are wiped out almost overnight. In others, capital controls can suddenly prevent you from moving your own money across borders. Financial censorship can block transactions for reasons you might not even understand. This is the lawlessness of the traditional system, a system where the rules can change without your consent, and you're often powerless to do anything about it. This is where Bitcoin enters the picture. It was born out of the 2008 financial crisis, a time when trust in traditional banking was at an all-time low. Its creator, the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, envisioned a new kind of money. A currency that wasn't controlled by any single government, bank, or corporation. A peer-to-peer electronic cash system. So what makes Bitcoin stateless? It operates on a decentralized network. Imagine a digital ledger, the blockchain, that isn't stored in one central location. Instead, it's copied and spread across thousands of computers worldwide. This means no single entity can control it, shut it down, or change the rules on a whim. When you send Bitcoin, you're not asking a bank for permission. You're broadcasting a transaction directly to the network, which is then verified and secured by a global community of participants. It's a system built on math and code, not on trust in fallible institutions. This stateless nature is incredibly powerful. For people living under oppressive regimes or in countries with unstable economies, Bitcoin can be a lifeline. It offers a way to preserve their wealth when their local currency is collapsing. It allows them to receive money from family abroad without exorbitant fees or government interference. It gives them a way to participate in the global economy. Even if they're unbanked, they can't be deplatformed from the Bitcoin network. As long as they have an internet connection and a wallet, they have access to their funds. Think of it like a digital gold. For centuries, people have used gold as a store of value because it's scarce and not controlled by any government. Bitcoin shares these properties but in a digital form. It's portable, easily divisible, and can be sent anywhere in the world in minutes. You can't just print more Bitcoin. There's a fixed supply of 21 million. And that rule is baked into its code. This predictable scarcity is a stark contrast to national currencies, which can be printed at will, often leading to inflation that erodes your purchasing power. Now, let's be clear, the world of Bitcoin isn't a perfect utopia. It's volatile, the technology is still evolving, and it's had its share of bad actors. The lawless nature of Bitcoin also means there's less of a safety net if you make a mistake. If you lose your private keys, the password to your digital wallet, your funds are gone forever. There's no customer service line to call. This personal responsibility is a double-edged sword. It gives you ultimate control, but also ultimate accountability. But the core idea remains revolutionary. Bitcoin challenges the very notion that money must be issued and controlled by a state. It introduces a global, neutral, and open-source alternative. It's a check on power. In a world where financial systems can be weaponized and trust is in short supply, a stateless currency provides a crucial escape valve. It's an option for anyone, anywhere, to opt out of a system they don't trust, and into one that is transparent, predictable, and permissionless. It's not about replacing national currencies entirely. It's about providing a choice. It's a financial tool for sovereignty in the digital age. It's a hedge against the uncertainty and lawlessness of a centralized world. Whether you're a small business owner in Argentina trying to protect your earnings from inflation, a freelance developer in Nigeria getting paid by a client in Europe, or just someone who believes in the power of individual sovereignty, Bitcoin offers a compelling alternative. The journey of this stateless currency is just beginning. As more people understand its fundamental value proposition beyond just price speculation, its role in the world will only grow. It's forcing us to ask big questions about the nature of money, trust, and freedom. And in a world that often feels unpredictable, having a plan B that exists outside the traditional system is not just interesting, it might just be essential. What are your thoughts on this? Do you see Bitcoin as a tool for freedom, or do you have concerns about its unregulated nature? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this video insightful and want to explore more big ideas about finance, technology, and the future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one.